Good morning. This is call number 2017-62433 in the interest of Juliana and Luca Garcia. Please raise your right hand to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
And please state your name and your relationship to the children.
Gabriela Villanueva, and I'm their mother.
All right, representing the Attorney General, State of Texas.
Luis Regla.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent is Pablo Cruz Garcia Jr. Mr. Garcia was served under Rule 106 of the Code of Civil Procedure on April 13th, 2022 at 8:43 a.m. at 6714 Sutton Meadows Drive in Houston, Harris County, Texas. He's not filed an answer or made an appearance. Is that correct, Mr. Regla?
That's correct, Judge.
We'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Judge. I'll call the mother as a witness.
All
Oh,
right.
Judge, one more thing. There should also be the pay record that I marked as Exhibit A. I'll offer that into evidence as well before we
All
get
right.
to
Ms. Villanueva, have you had an opportunity to look at this financial activity report?
Yes.
Do you have any objections of me admitting that into evidence?
No.
All right, Stacy, Exhibit A is admitted.
Thank you, Judge. Okay, Ms. Villanueva. When the first court order was done between you and the father in this case, that was only for Juliana, correct?
Yes.
That was a September 26, 2017 order that had set child support at $500 a month and Medicaid payments at $144 per month, beginning 10/1/2017. Do you remember that?
Yes.
Since then, you'll have had the second child, correct?
Yes.
And Luca Noah Garcia, male, was born April 12, 2020, and the father signed an acknowledgement of paternity when Luca was born, correct?
Yes.
Okay, and y'all have been able to co-parent for both children in the past, and you want to continue to do that going forward. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, so just like for Juliana, you're requesting for the court to appoint you as joint managing conservator of Luca with the Harris County and surrounding counties geographic restriction and give the father the standard visit schedule. Is that all true?
Yes.
Okay, and you actually regularly speak to the father as recently as last week about the children, and y'all are able to co-parent. Is that all correct?
Yes.
And your children right now have Medicaid, is that right?
Yes.
And the state has been able to independently verify that the father's monthly gross income is an average of about $6,636.50 per month, correct?
Yes.
Okay, and given the pay record that we have in this case, we're showing that the court should confirm a judgment on child support arrears in the amount of $15,257.54 as of October 31st, 2022. And you're not requesting any kind of retroactive support for Luca, is that correct?
That's correct.
So that child support judgment should be confirmed with the monthly payment of $127 beginning November 1st, 2022. Would you agree with that?
Yes.
Similarly, for the past due medical support arrears, as of October 31st, 2022, he owes $8,049.23. And since there's no request for retroactive support, we're requesting the court to confirm that judgment and make the father pay $91 a month, also to begin November 1st, 2022. Would you agree with all that?
Yes.
Okay, and going forward, we're requesting to modify the last court order from 2017 to now give child support and Medicaid payments for both children, correct?
Yes.
And these are Mr. Garcia's only two children, is that right?
Yes.
So given the average monthly gross income of $6,636 that was reported directly by his employer to the state of Texas, we're requesting the court to grant you child support based on 25% guideline child support, correct?
Yes.
And the children are going to stay on the Medicaid, is that right?
Yes.
And you agree with the state that the court should order the father to pay $350 a month beginning November 1st, 2022 towards Medicaid cash medical support.
Yes.
And therefore that leaves guideline child support based on 25% of his net income of $1,230 to begin November 1st, 2022 for both children. Is that correct?
Yes.
And you have no issues with his father knowing your address or phone number, anything like that, correct?
No.
Okay. And do you believe today's court order is in the best interest of your children?
Yes.
And I'm asking the court to grant today's order against Mr. Garcia.
Yes.
Judge, I'll pass this witness.
What type of work did Mr. Garcia do, man?
He's a truck driver.
All right, the court will approve the order as submitted. Thank you very much. Parties are excused.